For the NFT community's hundreds of thousands of members, who will now be able to exchange their digital valuables on a new platform. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into details, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have ebooks, print books, and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Coinbase, the United States' largest crypto exchange by volume, announced the construction of an NFT marketplace 6 months ago, but provided little details about when it will be operational. Let's take a look at the present. With collections of NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, the beta version of Coinbase NFT was published. Coinbase is a publicly traded cryptocurrency exchange platform with about 89 million clients, $278 billion in crypto assets, and $547 billion in quarterly volume moved, according to its website. During the beta launch, Coinbase is curating and marketing a number of NFT collections, including Doodles, World of Women, and Azuki. According to Alex Pletzer, NFT product lead at Coinbase NFT, any Ethereum-based collection will be accessible on Coinbase NFT, with more blockchains launching shortly. We'll cycle these collections out over time to help introduce people to fantastic NFTs on the platform, particularly for folks who aren't familiar with NFTs, the business claims. There will be no transaction fees for NFTs on its marketplace for a limited time. According to Sanchon Saxena, vice president of product at Coinbase, who spoke at the conference, the price will climb over time, but it will still be a low single-digit cost. Users can use their Coinbase wallet or any other self-custody wallet to trade NFTs on the site. We've successfully introduced the intricacy of cryptocurrencies to the general population in an easy-to-use approach, Saxena added. We believe we have a similar opportunity with NFTs as well. The NFT marketplace, unlike its crypto exchange, would incorporate a Web3 social marketplace, according to Saxena. As part of Coinbase NFT strategy, the marketplace will let users to buy, sell, and connect with creators, collectors, and the community about the NFTs they own. Those who are first in line for Coinbase NFTs will be permitted to become beta testers on the site, where they will be able to create a profile and exhibit their NFTs, both made and traded. According to Saxena, everyone above the age of 18 will be able to utilize the complete site in the coming weeks. It's similar to having an Instagram account where you can show off your images, however, it's all about NFTs in this case. Users may follow, comment on, and engage with one another through the marketplace. According to Saxena, people commonly use multiple social media channels to participate in the NFT community, such as Discord or Twitter. They can do everything on our platform in one place. Separately, the platform has no intentions to monitor any NFTs that are sold on the platform unless they are illegal in the country where they are sold. According to Saxena, if an NFT contains information that is illegal in the United States, Coinbase NFT will reject it. Users say that what should be an open, permissionless marketplace has an asterisk attached to it that is subject to moderation, causing controversy in the crypto world. However, Saxena claims Coinbase NFT is not in the business of determining what's good or bad as long as it's legal in that country. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this, before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFTs, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books, and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in go time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.